seeks you, future cadet. My name is Captain Voyal Destaire, and I'll be explaining the fleet's revolutionary new training tool, the Rickety Spaceship Simulator. If you're watching this, it means you've been selected to be a part of a brand new exercise on your way to becoming a Space Fleet crew member. The design of Rickety Spaceship Simulator is informed by our research into team building and how it can be improved through cooperative, shared experiences. In the modern world, teamwork is becoming increasingly important, not just in simulated spaceflight technology, but in schools, offices, restaurants, and workplaces across the galaxy. In response to this, Rickety Spaceship Simulator aims to promote team building through a cooperative multiplayer game that focuses on teamwork skills such as self-organization, communication, collaboration, and conflict management. So here's the challenge. You're a member of a group of 4 piloting an old spaceship through a hazardous sector of space. And you'll have to work together to effectively pilot your ship through the field within the time frame. Avoid asteroids, destroy enemy ships, and collect resources, and you'll be well on your way to becoming a Space Fleet member. The first of 4 roles that you can take is that of a pilot. As a pilot, you'll be in charge of piloting your spacecraft through space by leaning on the pressure-sensitive balance board. Simple, right? But one pilot does not a space crew make. You'll have to rely on other crew members to guide you through the hazardous asteroid field. If you choose to be a gunner, you'll control a reticule with your body, firing beams to destroy asteroids and enemies. Just hold your hand over the target to fire a beam. Make sure you use the right beam though, because different asteroids are destroyed by different beams. You can only shoot in the same direction that your spaceship is pointing. Make sure that your pilot knows what you're doing though, otherwise it's a one-way trip to the vacuum of space. If you choose the intelligence officer, you'll see 2 things. A large screen and an instruction manual, but we'll get to that later. In this role, you'll be in charge of finding special asteroids. As such, your role is crucial in obtaining a coveted high score. You'll also be able to see all threats coming from outside the ship, so keeping your eyes peeled is important to keeping a happy and healthy crew. As the engineer, you'll be supporting the other roles by using the resources gained from the asteroids to fuel the ship. Simply put the pump into the relevant tank and squeeze it to distribute the energy from the main tank to the sub-tanks to provide your team with benefits. If a station is damaged, simply tell the intelligence officer how the station is broken. This is where that manual comes in. The intelligence officer can find out how the station is broken, and the engineer fixes it by flicking the switches on their console. Now that you've been briefed on how to use the Rickety Spaceship Simulator, you've got all the information that you need to start playing. Starlight guide you, and we'll see you on the bridge.